Good afternoon, guys. Online students, all of you, good afternoon. Yeah. So now we'll start our session. In the last session, we discussed about the Python full stack related information. So in this Python full stack course, what we are going to learn. So that is only we discussed, guys, in the last session. So today, why this Python is required? Who can learn Python? How much demand there if we are learning Python? Like these all points, you people will get it, guys. So end of the session again about the course related planning, I will take care. So today now we will discuss about the just the Python related concepts. So in the market we have the several courses: Python, Java, .NET, C language, PHP, like several languages we have, guys. So nowadays all the freshers are learning either Python related or Java related or .NET related. You know, so Python language or Java related, guys. Java language related learning or else .NET related learning as a fresher. .NET language related learning, guys. Okay, previously PHP related also learning. So these three are popular courses: Python, Java, and the .NET related. So compared to the Java, .NET, why this Python is getting more demanding? That is, we will focus today. Okay, so because of the Python syntax, guys, so a lot of students are giving first priority to the Python to learn the course related. So compared to the Java, .NET related, Python has more easy syntax, guys. Python is Python contains a more easy syntax. So Python has more easy syntax, guys. Easy syntax. So whatever we want, that is directly we can express, guys. We can create like a high level English language. So we all people knows about the basic English code, English language related. Same like in Python also. So like English language, we are going to write the coding. So and Python is more easy language. You can say like Python is more easy language, guys. So now, how can you say Python is more easy compared to the Java .NET? The point first we need to be focused it. So I want to print some hello message in Python language, guys. So in Python, I want to print some hello message. Then we have one function called hello print, guys. We have one function called print function. So what is the use of print function? By using the print function, we can print something message what we want. So that's it. By seeing this line, people can understand easily. Printing the hello message like that. So normal string type messages using the quotations we are writing. If you want to print a general number like a 10, 20 like that, so just we are going to give like this number, guys. Print the 10 number. Got it? Okay, I want to print hello message. We can write like this in Python. So same message in Java, guys. If we want to display, then we need to write more lines of code. So first of all, class keyword we are writing, followed by the class name we are writing, guys. And then curly brace structure we are writing. So inside the curly brace group of statements we can write. Now here public, static, void main, and then string, args, list of arguments, and then again curly brace we are using this. Now here system dot out dot println like one function is there, println function there in the Java. Using that, people can write hello message, and then semicolon also required. Okay, so yes, guys. If you want to learn this Java language related, in this language, if you want to print a hello message, so you need to learn about these all definitions. So here class having a separate meaning, class name having separate meaning. So here only some names only possible, some names not possible. For example, if I'm taking digits before this sample, then not possible. After this sample, digits we can take it possible. So it means how to creating the class names, so we need to know rules and regulations. And here we can write public, we can write private, we can write protect, we can write. If using public, what will happen? If private, what will happen? If protect using, what will happen? So we need to know, first of all these basic terminologies we need to know. So here also multiple things we can use, guys. So once after learning about these all things, even column also having meaning, the semicolon also having meaning. So by learning these all things, then we can print this hello message in Java. Okay. So as a student, if you are choosing this Java language, guys, so a lot of efforts we need to put it. Lot of burden there, guys, for learners, for learning Java, guys, for learning Java. Okay. So no need to learn these all things. Simply one function you are learning, and you are able to print a hello message. That's why we can say Python is more easy language compared to other languages. Got it? And one more point is nowadays, guys, all the people are considering like Python is a general purpose programming language. General purpose programming language, guys. Programming language. Nowadays, all people are considering Python is a general purpose programming language. So why Python is considering like general purpose programming language means after learning the Python, guys, after learning the Python, so people can learn different courses. For example, artificial intelligence course can learn. For example, if you have more interest on artificial intelligence related, so if you want to learn artificial intelligence course related, first you need to learn the Python. That is the basic coding. And next, data science related, guys. Data science required Python related. So after that, machine learning, guys. Machine learning related Python required. Deep learning, guys. Deep learning related Python is required. Robotics. Robotics, if you want to learn Python required, guys, for the robotics also. And web development, guys, nothing but DJango related. So DJango framework, if you want to learn, then Python course required. And Azure, guys, Azure related also Python required. And next, AWS related also Python required. DevOps related Python required. Like several courses there, guys. So if you want to learn these all courses, so basic thing required Python knowledge. So we require the Python related course. So after learning Python, you can learn any one course, whatever you want, guys. So I have very interest in this data science related. I want to be becoming like a data science engineer. That is your goal. Then first you need to learn the Python language, and then you can choose the data science course, guys. Data science course. So that's why nowadays all the people are considering this Python is a general purpose programming language. So to learn these all kind of courses, Python is common thing nowadays. So that's why this Python is getting more demanding. Just assumption, artificial intelligence learning by 100 students. Data science 100 students are learning. Machine learning again one more 100. Again this is one more 100. Again 100. Like several courses there, guys. So here almost 8 courses there. 8 into 100, 800 people learning. So these all 800 people learning this Python course. With all 800 people learning this Python course, later they are splitting to multiple courses. Okay, so that's why this Python is getting demanding, guys, nowadays. Remember, once if you are learning the Python related, guys, and in your resume, if you are adding the Python language, your language is a Python language, like if you are adding in your resume, so your resume is getting more priority. And a lot of companies are focusing on Python related students. So they are giving a lot of interviews, guys. So they are scheduling the interviews and conducting the interviews, hiring. And after that, if they want data science related, they will give you data science related training. And Python with the data science, you are going to do development. So in Wipro company, Azure related applications there most of the times. And in Infosys, Django related applications there. And in another company like TCS, robotics related there. So these TCS, Wipro, and Infosys, these all companies focusing on Python students. So that's why this Python is getting more demanding nowadays. Got it? Yes, guys. So in our class, guys, full stack development, Python full stack, we are going to discussing in our course, Python full stack. So who can learn this Python full stack means the people who want to developing the web applications like Facebook, Zomato, Swiggy, Amazon, Flipkart, YouTube, like these all are web applications. So web applications, if we want to developing, then people can join this Python full stack course. And the people who wants to go to this data science, then those people can learn only Python language. And after the Python language, the data science course can choose it. Okay? So in this Python full stack, guys, along with the Python language, we are going to discussing about the Django framework. So here D is a silent. We are calling like a Django, guys. So as a student, if you are calling like DJango, also no problem. Right? So Python language with the DJango framework, we are going to be developing. We are going to learn in this Python full stack, and we will develop the web applications, real-time web applications. We can design this. So in our class only, multiple applications we will do it, guys. Everything I will take care of it. You are only going to develop in the coding after completing some days of course. Good day. Every day, every topic I will discuss clearly with examples wise, and I will say the material, and I will give the assignments related. And in that assignments, if you are having any queries, any doubts, you can let me know. I will clarify it. Okay. So course details related, I will give you later back. So this is the information, guys. After learning the Python, we can learn like this in several courses. To learn these all courses, Python is required. So this is also one of the important reasons for learning the Python people. Why Python, people choosing the Python language means to learn these all courses, Python is common one. That is one reason, guys. Okay. And one more thing is, like so many points there, guys. So Python is open source language, guys. So Python is a open source language and a free language. Open source, and free. Open source and free language. So what is the meaning of that? Open source and free language means no need to pay any amount to the any company. Freely we can download and we can install it, guys. Freely we can download and we can install it. For example, here, so I want to be download the python.org, like one company there, python.organization. This is official company of Python related. So in this we have the downloads. So python.org.org/downloads. This is the URL link. Now here we have the Python downloadable link. If you are using Windows system, then you can download this one. If you are using the Linux OS, guys, you can select here and you can download it. If you are using the Mac OS, then you can select here and you can download it. So almost all the students using the Windows platform related only. So simply you can click on and you can download it. So latest version, Python latest version is the 3.11.4 there. And if you want any older versions, then go down lot of versions there, guys, here old versions. So which version you want, you can download and you can install it. Okay? So that is about the Python related. So later I will take care how to downloading, how to installing all the screens. I will show you practically. So this is just information only. So freely we can download without paying any amount to this company, and we can install it. And later using that Python, we can develop the applications. So that is called open source and free language. That's why Python is, we can consider like open source language and free language. Okay. Next, guys, Python is a high level language. Python is a high level language, guys. High level language. How can you say Python is a high level language? What is the meaning of high level language? So high level language means just like English code, guys, just like English language, we can write the Python coding. For example, I want to write some condition. So if 10 greater than 5, if 10 greater than 5, what I want to do? So those logics we can write here. If this condition is right, guys, if the condition value is true, then I want to execute these lines. Otherwise, I want to execute some other lines of code. So like this, we are writing logics. So if the condition is right, these lines of statement I want to execute. If the condition value is wrong, nothing but false. If the condition value is a false, then else block related statement executing. By seeing this, easily we are understanding, guys. Got it? And next, I want to store values, guys. So a equal 10 means the 10 value we are storing into a variable. Next, b equal to 20. 20 value storing into the b variable. Next, c equal to a plus b. So what is doing here? A value, b value adding, and that result storing into the c. And next, I want to print this c value. So by seeing this, easily people can understand. So storing the 10 value into a, storing the 20 value into b, and a value, b value adding, result storing into c, and that result printing using different function. So finally, we are going to get the 30 result. We are getting as 30 result. Okay. So this is a high level, guys. So we can say this is a high level coding. High level coding. Not only this, lot of things, guys. What you want, we can print. For example, I'm going to write something 10 or else simply something characters, guys. P in Python, P in Python, like we are writing P in Python. So it means P is available or not in this Python. So P in means if there or not, like that checking as P in Python, yes, P is available, then return true, yes, available. If not available, then false return not available meaning. So it's like normal English language. So Python follows the high level coding. It's like a normal English language, guys. So that is also one of the reason nowadays people are learning the Python. And next, guys, because of this reason, guys, because of this reason, if you want to print just a hello message in Java, these all lines of code we are writing. But in Python, single line we are writing. It means less lines of code we are writing in Python for developing the application. In Java, more lines of code required. This is just a basic message. Real-time application, if you want to be developing, for example, 1,000 lines of code required in Java to do some project, real-time project. The same project using Python, if we are developing less than guys, less than 500 lines, less than 500 lines code enough in Python. So obviously here 500 lines of code we are saving. So lot of lines code you are saving means lot of time also we are saving. 1,000 lines creating purpose, some time taking. 500 lines creating purpose, less time taking compared to the previous time. So within the less time, we can create our coding. And when executing as this program, top to bottom, line by line, all lines are executing. So 1,000 lines are taking some time for executing. Less than 500 lines are taking very less time for executing. So obviously, performance of the application increasing using Python. Using Java application performance taking more time. But in Python, very fastly we can get the response compared to the other languages. Clear? So here you can make it lot of points, guys. So in Python, very less lines of code we are writing. In Python, more easily we can write the coding. And in Python, so within the less time we can developing the coding. And Python applications giving a best performance. Nothing but within the less time we can execute and we can get the output. And here more lines we are writing in Java. So because of these more lines, the complexity increasing, readability decreasing in Java. But in Python, because of the single line, readability increasing, complexity decreasing. Understanding is more easy compared to the Java related. Are you clear these all points? So that's why this Python is getting more demanding as well. So these all are only some small examples only. Lot of benefits there, guys, using Python if we want to develop in the real-time applications. Okay. And one more thing, guys, one more thing. So you can take it one real-time site, guys. On real-time site, you can take it. So TIOBE index there. This is one popular website, guys. This website giving in ratings, guys. This website giving the ratings to all popular languages. Java language, .NET language, Python language, JavaScript language, C language, parallel language, R language, like several languages there. So all the students may know maybe maximum 10 language names, but hundreds of languages there in real time. Hundreds of languages are there, guys. So toppest languages, for example, if you are taking 20 languages, 20 language names you are considering, out of those all 20 languages, which one is the toppest rating there? Which one is getting more demanding nowadays? Like all the things, every month, this site giving the ratings, okay, and performing the survey and giving the ratings, guys. On which based, guys, this site providing the rating, on which factor it is providing the ratings means every year or every month, how many students are choosing this particular language? Python, how many students are choosing? Nearly. And Java, how many students are choosing? .NET, how many students are choosing? Like based on that region. And after completing course Python related, then how many people are getting immediately job? After completing Java, how many students are getting job? So based on this factor, and a lot of search engines there, Google search engine, Yahoo search engine, Wikipedia search engine, Byju's search engine, like so many search engines there. Whatever the data we want, we can get using those search engines. For example, in YouTube, guys, whatever we want, immediately we are getting the data. So these all are search engines. So in these popular search engines, so every year, about which course people are searching and which course related videos people are listening, watching videos. These all things considering, and also 100 people, Python related people, 100 people got job. Java related also 100 people got job. So average salary, guys, after getting jobs, average salary using which language people are getting highest salaries. So like these all factors considering, and this site providing the ratings. Got it? So when you have the free time, you can just go through this, you will understand it. So here you will get it, guys. So now ratings are based on the number of skilled engineers worldwide. Using Python, how many students are there worldwide? How many engineers are there worldwide? Okay, like all the things considering as popular search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Wikipedia, Amazon, YouTube, Baidu, like these all are popular search engines. So using these search engines, about which courses, which languages people are searching and watching the videos, like all things considering, and average salaries also considering, based on these all factors. So this site providing the ratings. So now you can see, guys. So top is the rating for which language there means the Python there, guys. Python there, you can see here. Python language having a 13 rating, guys. 13 plus rating. Next, the C language having 11 rating. C language is evergreen from so many years onwards. C language is existing. Okay, but Python is from last 6 to 7 years onwards got more popularity. So nowadays, more popularity there, guys. More popularity. And next C++ there, and then Java there. See here, Java 10.33% there. Our Python 13.33% there rating. And next C sharp, nothing but .NET rated. So .NET having very less rating, guys. Okay, and last year, guys, especially 2022 and 21 also. So more jobs came. More jobs came. The people who completed last year education, immediately they got jobs. So I hope a lot of people, your friends only got jobs already. Okay, after completing education, immediately got. That time more calls there. A lot of MNC companies are focusing on the students and immediately hiring. Thousands of people hiring and putting into their company, guys. So, but now no work there. So this 2023 compared to the 22, guys. So calls are not there more and more. This is a factor. Okay, but now we now recently from last 1 month onwards, slowly are going to start the interviews. So recently some MNC companies are also conducting the interviews. Okay, so before closing this year 2023, maybe like last previous year, you will get it interviews definitely. Okay, companies are focusing, guys. So that's why here see ratings. So down ratings there, minus ratings there. So last year positive ratings there, positive number ratings there. Got it? So this only C++ having positive, remaining all are almost the down ratings there. There is some. So you can see here which one having highest rating, like all the things you are getting, and go down. These all are languages. So many languages we have, guys. So next here, graphs also there, guys. Graphs also there. So this is a Python related graph. You can see here, Python related graph. So many years back only, Python related started. So especially from the 2015, 16 onwards, about this Python market started, guys. Market started. So later, slowly, so day by day, this graph increasing. So in 2022, so more popularity there for this Python related. So in 23, somewhat fall down, rating fall down, guys. Again, see recently increasing. So from last 1 month to 2 months onwards, so slowly going to start the, already started. So coming months going to start more interviews. Some people there, guys, high level technical people there, they are giving some analysis. So recently I saw some videos also. So they said very soon going to start again the interviews like previous years. So be ready for that. And now topic rating only Python only there. So olden days, guys, see here, Java related. So more than 25 there, more than 25. So far, guys, so far up to today, toppest rating for which language got means Java. Previously at the year 2000 at that time, okay, in the year of 2000 that time, Java got more popularity. Everybody learning Java. Once learning Java, immediately jobs getting. But not now. That is 20 years back. Okay, so from last 20 years onwards, Java having its market, but compared to the Python, less market there. Right? So yeah, so Python related, this is the graph, guys, and the C language related, and the C++ related, Java related. See, Java almost here. So day by day, fall down, guys, going down direction, Java. So by seeing this, you will understanding, guys, why this Python is getting more demanding. So lot of average salaries, guys, compared to the other language related developers. So average salaries also more getting, and every year learning more people and getting jobs also more. And the people who are working real time already 4 years, 5 years using Java related or .NET related, those people also changing to Python side. After learning Python, lot of courses there. So they are easily can learn those courses, and they will survive in the companies. Got it? So that's why this Python is getting demanding nowadays, guys. So this is one of the reason, and lot of companies, guys, a lot of toppest companies using this Python. If you are searching top 10 companies which are using Java, C language or Python language or Java language, like you can check it. So Python related, which companies using, so you will get it. Python with Django framework, guys. So you will get it top companies. So top 10 companies, top 10 companies. Simply you can use here Django top 10 companies or top 10 Django projects, like you can check it. See here, a lot of companies there, guys. I will show you some images. So text processing related. Sometimes images also directly we are getting. Companies, you can check companies related. See, these all are top companies, guys. So many top companies are here. This is what Mozilla browser, guys. So Google browser, Google Chrome browser, Mozilla browser nowadays we are using. So eBay app, guys, we are using. Instagram we are using. YouTube every day we are using. Without opening YouTube, our day is not completing. Okay. So this YouTube also using the Python related guys. So and the Discuss and so many companies there guys. Here see. So YouTube company, Instagram company, and Spotify. This is a music related company. So and Bitbucket, real time this Bitbucket people using more and more. Bitbucket or GitHub like these all things. So when we are joining into the company, multiple people working on single project. So my code required to you, your code required to me. Like all employees are sharing their code each other. How they are sharing means using the some code hosting platforms. One of the code hosting platform is Bitbucket. Bitbucket guys. So every year, see here, 17 millions. Okay, 17 millions requests people are sending every year. 17 millions request sending, 6 millions repositories creating in the year. So it means lakhs of people are using guys every year this Bitbucket related. These all things development related, Python and Django application they used. Dropbox there guys. So this is the cloud storage related. Here documents, videos, music related, our pictures, okay, images. So these all things in the cloud we can store. So nowadays people are not storing their images or videos in the mobile. So because of the storage problem, all people are uploading to the cloud platform. Then whenever they want, they can use it. So these all things just overview I'm giving. Later, practically we are going to developing application, how they are developing in their company. Okay. And the Mozilla browser guys. So this is one of the second toughest browser, Google Chrome browser using, and next Mozilla browser using. Previously, using the PHP language and the Cake PHP framework. PHP is one language and its framework Cake PHP. Using these languages, people design this Mozilla. But day by day, lakhs of people are increasing this Mozilla browser. So when sending lakhs of requests, getting response also important. But a lot of time taking for getting response. So using PHP got some problems. That's why later they change it to Python with Django. They change it to Python with Django. Python is a language and the Django is a framework. Using Python and Django, so they redesigned. So after that, a lot of benefits they got it. That's why nowadays more and more people are using this Mozilla. So it is a second topic browser, guys, topmost browser. Okay, entire worldwide people are using. So and Washington Post, it's a news channel related company, guys. It's a news channel related company. Okay. So in this every day in this art in this it is like a Enod paper, Sakshi paper, Andhra Jyoti, like so many news channels related there. It is also like one of the news channel related. So here every day guys, entire worldwide related topics, the news posting. So then immediately response is also important. When people are searching for something information, immediately it is posting that information. So these all things possible by using the Python language and its framework, DJango guys. Okay, Eventbrite, like several companies using Python and Django. See, so totally Django guys, more than 172 millions every month using in the year 2019 like that. So like a lot of benefits there guys using the Python and the Django framework. Okay, that's why nowadays this Python and Django is getting more demanding. Clear? Yeah, like several points there. So many are there, guys. So Python futures we are going to discuss in the coming session. So that time more points I'll give. I'm not going to take care of all the points now only. So I need to give entire overview related, course related. So these are the only some regions. So when we are discussing the Python futures, so almost 15 to 20 futures we are going to discussing. So why this Python is getting demanding nowadays, like that. And next, who can learn Python? We will discuss that point. Who can learn? Anybody can learn. If you are completing your degree or BTech or MBA or any course like MCA, so people can learn. Understanding? So some people having doubts. I completed degree. Am I suitable to learn this Python? I completed BTech with mechanical background or else civil engineering like that. So civil engineering students, mechanical engineering students, or degree students, all students can learn the Python easily. even though you are not having a more coding skills, very less coding skills you have, no problem. You can learn Python. So compared to the Java, .NET, with less coding skills, guys, people can learn Python better. Especially non-IT background related students more easily can learn this Python language. Are you getting this one? So you need to have only one confident, guys. Yes, I want to becoming like a software engineer. If you are having that goal, then easily you can learn. You can learn. So don't think negative way. I don't have more coding skills. I don't know about the software related. I completed engineering, civil related, mechanical related, like that. So previously, guys, many students who completed civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical related, those people got software related jobs. Okay, so to get this software job related, any people can get. As a IT student or a CSC student, we are not going to the civil engineering related, mechanical engineering related. We are not eligible for those jobs, but those students can eligible to this Python, software related. Got it? So the point remember, guys, all students can learn this Python course more easily, So nowadays, Python related, guys, in all the MNCs like Infosys, Wipro, TCS, like Microsoft, in all companies, Python related applications there. So that's why you can learn this Python, then more easily you will get it jobs. Okay. And now here course related, I'll give you planning as Python related, Python full stack. So here we're going to learn Python full stack development related. In this, we are going to learn one language, guys. So which language we are learning? Python language we are learning. In this Python, we have the core Python plus advanced Python, guys. Core Python plus advanced Python. So both are nothing but single course only Python. For the students' convenient purpose, core Python, advanced Python, like dividing. Got it? Yes. Next, any one framework, guys. Any one framework we are going to be learning. So here our framework is Django framework. We are going to discussing about the Django framework. Using Django framework, web applications we are going to be developing. Web application means both the front end, back end, database related, all three layers related structure there. So presentation layer, business layer, and database layer. All together we are going to developing using Django framework. And next, you database related, guys. Any one database related we need to know. So in our class, MySQL DB we're going to learn, and in some programs, MongoDB, guys. MongoDB related also I will take care. Okay, so using Python, how we can communicate to MySQL DB, and in this database, how we are storing our application related data. For example, if you are opening the Zomato application, lot of food items we are getting on the browser, www.youtube.com. So many YouTube videos are displaying. So these all videos are already stored in the database, again getting back and displaying on the screen. So how we can store into DB, how we can access, how we can update, how we can delete. This is all CRUD operation, creating, updating, reading, deleting. So we can do it, guys. We can do it. So using MySQL, I will show you, and using MongoDB also I will show you. Python to MySQL, how we are interacting, and the Django framework to MySQL, how we are interacting. Same like MongoDB related also, we will discuss. And next, UI technologies, guys. UI technologies. So to developing the presentation logics of our application, for example, just one example I will show you here. So this is a presentation related, guys. So if I'm going to here, table there. So here something tabular format I display, some buttons there, guys, some update button, delete button there. If I'm clicking update button with existing data, displaying student information displaying. So if you want, you can change 95 marks, I'm changing to 90 marks, and then click update. So that marks updating there. So in the database updating, again getting all the records and displaying in the tabular format. So any action you can do, finally table only displaying. So if I want to delete this second record is. So you can click on this. Are you sure you want to delete this? Asking. No, I don't want to delete. Coming back. So like this is the presentation, whatever we are able to see with our eyes using the browser, that is the presentation, guys. So these presentation logics developing purpose, we require to know about the UI technologies. So here so many UI technologies are there. So we are going to be discussing about the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, like these all things, guys. Okay. So in our Python full stack course, guys, so we are going to discussing about these all concepts. Python language and its framework and the database related and UI technologies related. All combination with Python full stack. We are learning here. Okay. So to learn these all things, guys, 3 months duration required. 3 months duration. 3 months, guys. And with all courses, guys, myself only take caring. I'm only take caring. So in some institutes, guys, the Python teaching by somebody, framework teaching by somebody, and the database teaching by somebody in different timings like that. So in the same time, one by one, we will discuss. If you want to complete more early before the 3 months only, then for your senior batches, after completing of Python related some days, so parallelly in other timing, I will start the Django framework. So if you want, you can join there also. Then within the 3 months only, you can complete before only. No, sir, I have only this time only possibility for attending the classes. Like if you are thinking, so after the Python, you can join the DJango framework. Then 3 months time, within the 3 months, we can complete exactly. Okay, so I took many batches previously, guys. With 3 months, I completed these all things. So several batches, hundreds of batches I took, guys. So from last 7 years onwards, I'm teaching this Python related development. Number of batches I took, and some batches only for employees I'm taking. So right now morning session there is at 7 a.m. only employees there. Correct? So for employees, what I'm teaching, those all things to the students also I'm teaching, not skipping any concept. Got it? Yes. So next here, while discussing these all things, guys, some real-time tools also we are discussing. Real-time tools, guys. For example, Postman there. Postman tool, very important. Postman tool related we are discussing. GitHub related we are discussing. And Scrum meeting related, guys. So Scrum meetings related we are discussing. And Jira related, guys. So Jira related, Agile related, Jira related. So these all are real-time terminologies. So Jira model, how using, Agile model, how using, how we are getting the tickets. Tickets are nothing but task. How we are getting the task, how we are submitting that. So like a lot of real-time tools related. So we will discuss this Swagger tool, like several tools depending on the requirement. I will take care. Now, and in this Django framework, guys, so after learning the Django framework, its extension concept also there. That is called Django REST framework. Django REST framework. It is a extension concept of the Django framework only. So what course we are learning here in this Django? So these all things available in the REST API. So REST framework are simply called as a REST API. Some people call as a REST API. What is the REST API? What is the use of REST API? How to design the REST APIs? These all things at the time of learning Django framework, you people will understand. Okay. So here my application there from the browser. If I want to send the request and I want to get the response using Django framework, that's enough. So here other application there, Java application, .NET application. From the other application, I want to send the request to this Django and I want to get response back. Then this REST API important. App to app communication API is required. Browser to application communication, that's Django. Right? So that's why for every application in real time, so browser communication related URLs developing, other application communication related APIs also developing. For every application, both browser related URLs, other application related APIs required to developing. That is the concept, guys. Clear? Yes. So in the DJango, guys, a lot of projects, real-time related projects we will do every day in this session. So material I will share, guys. Material I will share it. Sharing the material. Today one concept I'm teaching. So immediately that concept related PDF file sharing to you. Before coming to the next session, you need to read by spending 1 hour time, read that and do practice. Then further session more easily you people are understanding. So everyday material sharing and later programs sharing as so in our class, a lot of programs we are going to do the practice. This all programs I will share to you. So programs sharing to you. When we are starting the DJango related projects, we are going to do. So programs and the projects, programs and the projects, guys. Programs and the projects are sharing to you. And every day our class recorded, guys. Every day our class is recorded. This recorded video link also sharing to you. 1 year accessibility there. Once if you are registered for this course, so recorded videos access link also sharing to you. 1 year you can watch the videos. So go in the Google platform, cloud platform storing all the videos and those videos related link sharing to you. Using that link you can watch it. Okay. So both offline and online sessions there, guys. So for offline students also sharing the online link. So when you are missing 1 or 2 sessions using online, you can connect. Clear that? Yes. So class recorded video link is sharing. Class recorded video link also sharing. 1 year accessibility there. 1 year accessibility there, guys. Only for videos. Only for videos. Materials, these all things I will share to you. Directly you can download and you can maintain in your laptop. Clear that? So 4 to 6, guys, 2 hours session. So we are not discussing 2 hours. So 4 to 5:30, 1.5 hour discussing, and later last 30 minutes, myself, I'm going to interact with you. When you are doing practice, if you are getting doubts, I will clarify those things. So programmatically, I will clarify, and theoretically, I will clarify if you are having any doubts. And in this course time, guys, lot of assignments I will say to you, assignment files. So after completing 2-3 topics, these are 2-3 topics related assignment files sharing to you. So you need to solve those all things, basic questions. So then only when you are attending the interview, you will get more clarification. Clarity, and easily you can answer the questions. Okay, and lot of interview questions related PDF files also I will share. 2 concepts completing, those concepts related one file sharing. So if you are reading that file, those what concepts we completed already, that concept related all the questions are nearly 50 questions like covering. So all are like one word answer. So then easily you can answer it in interviews also. Okay, so simply interview related, guys. Interview questions, top most interview questions sharing, topic wise sharing, and overall Python related one file, Django related one file, and UI related one file, like that. Overall questions also going to share to you. Right? And to our institute, guys, sometimes companies also coming and conducting the interviews. So that time our office people will take your resumes and they will forward. And also our office people only will inform, guys, if in outside any interviews there, they are going to be informed to you and you need to be attend them. Clear that? Online students. So yesterday I opened some applications, guys. Lot of applications like this. This is the only one application I opened right now. So many applications I opened yesterday. What kind of applications we are going to do in our session? I explained. Just outputs I displayed. Outputs. Okay. So every day different topics. Every day one topic, like multiple topics we are discussing, and by combining all the topics, one major project we are developing. So if you are developing that major project, guys, after joining into the company also, you will get more confident. So how people are doing the projects, how they are handling the code, how they are sharing with their colleagues. These all things in that project I will cover. So, and also I will give you guidelines. So in the internet, lot of projects there. So where you are getting a projects, a practice purpose, how you can do the practice like that. And also when you are doing the practice by your own way, if you are having doubts, if you are getting any problems, I'm ready to solve those things. Right? Yeah. So I will stop now, guys. This 1 hour session enough. 1 hour session enough. Okay. And I will interact with you. If you are having any queries, you can let me know. You can let me know. So once completing the demos, guys, so full session, 1.5 hour session, we will plan it. Got it? Yeah. Thank you. So if you are having any queries, you can ask me. Do you have any queries, madam? Okay. Online students, do you guys having any queries? So a lot of real-time tools I will take care, guys. Coding related, PyCharm ID there, Visual Studio Code ID there, Atom there, Sublime Text there. So which IDs people are using in the real time, how we are downloading, how we are installing, these all things I'll take care. For example, this is one ID, real-time related ID, guys. So this ID, how we are downloading, how we are installing, and here a lot of menus there. So how we are using these menus in the real time after joining into the real time company. So then you people are going to use these IDs only. So that time more easily you are feeling, yes, I know about these all menus, how can create new files, how we can execute like all things. So like this PyCharm related and the Visual Code Studio related, very, very important. I will take care of these two things. Real time coding related IDs. Yes. So we are developing the URLs. We are developing the views related, business logics related. So by seeing these online stuff, don't get fear. Every step I will take care. Why creating, how creating like that. We need to start somewhere and we need to build up all the points. Clear? Yes. So, and Python related, guys, only just some points only I given Python related. So next session, history, guys, who designed, where designed, why designed, when designed, is all points we will discuss. Python history related. Okay. So which language you are learning, that language related history important, guys. Right. So when this Python is designed, who designed, so why designed, like these all basic points required. Why our author kept our language name as Python only? Why not other name? Why not your name? Why my name like that? So everything we have in regions. So we need to know about those regions. And next, the DJango framework. So why this DJango framework having more demanding nowadays? And that DJango framework when introduced, when implemented, who implemented, like all these stories we are going to be discussing. Okay. Yes. Yes, guys. To developing the complete Python application with the full stack related, any one required either React or Angular, either React or Angular. In this Python full stack course, so React or Angular we are not teaching. That is separate course. That is separate course. So in our institute only teaching. Okay, some other faculty is teaching. That is I'm not teaching. Myself using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, these all things, developing the UI related. For example, this is one basic application. So whatever we required, those all things I will take care. And if you want to learn React or Angular, first of all, these all UI technologies important. Once learning about HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, these all things, then continuation React or Angular, any one enough. If you are learning both, then no problem, increasing your skills only. So at least one course, either React or Angular for real-time related. As a fresher, guys, even if you are not learning, first of all, these basic UI technologies, if you are learning, so after joining into the companies, also people can learn it. Okay? And the same time, if you want to learn, now only I have time, sir, I want to learn now only, as if you are deciding, so separate batches are going to start for React or Angular. You can join those courses also. And we have the tomorrow also demo session. So I explained only some points today. Tomorrow, some new points I will cover. Tomorrow, some more new points I'll cover. So once completing that, later onwards, directly downloading, installation, basic programs, how doing. So after that, topic by topic, we will discuss. So I don't want to discussing every day same points, same topics, demos related. So today some points I explained, and tomorrow some more points I will explain, guys. So after completing the 3 demos, so then directly downloading and installing related, we will start. So from there onwards, actual points will start. And tomorrow, major points are so Python related history you're going to get, Python versions, which versions are there today, and Python features you're going to get. So some points only are given Python related features today. Tomorrow, remaining features also I will explain. So all the features I didn't explain, only few features explained.
Hi, so tomorrow is a demo day also.
Yes, we have.
So I was kind of a little interested about this Python full stack, but I was thinking that the demo is kind of showing things a little bit, but I feel like you're not showing anything. You're just giving informations,
Yes,
and these informations you're giving, it's something we can find by ourselves, just Googling them. I feel like
yes,
demo should be more kind of. I know you don't want to show many things, but I feel like demo is should be. It's my point of view. I don't know how the others things. Demo should be showing us Python, doing some practice, showing us when you say framework Django. A lot of people here, maybe by myself, we don't know what is Django. Showing us what is Django, how these things work. That's me. What I thought. That's what we call demo,
yes,
showing like 1, 2, 3 things that can grab our attention, that can push us to say, oh, wow, maybe I should continue this. But
yes,
honestly, since yesterday I attended this demo, we were a lot of 20 or 30 something online. But today I see 7. I was like, yeah, because the information you're giving, honestly, is just, okay.
yes,
At this point, I haven't seen anything that can grab my attention yet, even though I wanted to really see some things that could push me with all those things I'm doing, squeeze this full stack Python into my schedule. But at this point, honestly, I haven't seen anything. So that's why I send this text message. When is tomorrow also a demo, or maybe do we have to register in order to see what is Python? I feel like we should not pay our money first to see what is Python and how Django works. We should see a
yes,
demo how things work before paying our money. I'm sorry to say it, but that's my point of
yes,
view.
yes, yes. Sure, Ahmad. Mohammed, yes, you're asking good question. So in this Python full stack, whatever the courses, whatever the concepts we are going to be discussing, that is given here. So in this Python related, in this Python language, core Python related and advanced Python related, we are going to learn. So in this core Python, about the Python related rules and regulations, you people are going to get. So what are the data types there, how we are printing the messages, and how we are creating the loops related, conditions related, all the rules you are getting in this core Python. And later in this advanced Python chapters wise, we are discussing Python to database, how communicating. When we are writing the coding, some exceptions we are getting. So for example, after downloading Python and installing something called like ideally we are getting, this is one of the tool along with the Python software we are getting as along with the Python software we are getting. See here, directly we can print whatever we want. So for example, hello, I'm printing, getting a equal to 10. So I stored a value, 10 value into a variable I stored, and I'm printing. So sometimes when we are doing divisions, guys, for example, 10 by 2, so result we are getting. So again, next 10 by 0, any number cannot divisible by 0. So in this situation, our program is terminating, abnormally stopping, suddenly stopping, and exception raising. This is error, guys. So when we are creating the programs, a lot of errors we are getting. Lot of errors we are getting. See here, this is one more error. 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, both are integers. So addition operation performing and result 30 we are getting. So one is a 10 integer and another one is a string. So one is integer value, one is a string value. I'm trying to do concat addition related. Then we are getting the different error, type error. So when we are developing our coding, sometimes we are getting these kind of exceptions, nothing but errors. So as a good programming developer, we need to controlling these all errors. So instead of displaying these errors, we need to display meaningful messages. For example, sometimes we are entering into the ATM centers. So we are putting our ATM card into the machine and we are trying to withdraw amount. So in my account, guys, I have 5,000 amount, but I'm trying to withdraw 10,000. Then ATM not giving 10,000 amount. So internally code executing like this, something error coming because of invalid, insufficient amount. So instead of displaying this kind of messages, user friendly messages as a programmer, we need to display. So sorry, in your account, you have 5,000 only. So insufficient amount in your account, like meaningful message we are displaying. By seeing that message, user can understanding, okay, I don't have 10,000, I have only 5,000 like that. Got it? Yeah, these all kind of exceptions, guys. Which kind of exceptions getting, how we are solving those all things in the advanced Python. So we are going to write in the logics. For example, I want to validate user inputs sometimes. For example, user entered the mobile number. Is this mobile number valid or not? Mobile number means 10 digits required generally. So user entered 5 digits only. So that is invalid mobile number. 10 digits entered, starting digits between 7 to 9 range required, followed by 9 digits required. Like user input, we can validate emails, valid email or not, I want to check it. So for these all things, guys, in this Python only you are learning. Okay, all the language related rules and regulations and some advanced coding related we will develop here. So when comes to the framework, framework is nothing but one of the software. Framework is nothing but one of the software. Using the framework, we can develop in the applications, real-time applications we can develop, like Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato, Flipkart, like these all things. Using the DJango framework, web applications we can design. Web applications means these all. Facebook is a web application, YouTube, Zomato, Swiggy, these all are web guys, web applications. So now here, when we are learning about this Django framework, so it is following one architecture. So that time I'll take care about that architecture. Which architecture is following by Django framework? So full clear diagram I will show you. In the diagram, how multiple files interacting. So when we are working with the Python related, a single file we are developing. So here only lot of lines code we are writing as, and then these all lines we are executing at a time. So when we are coming to Django framework, when we are working with the Django framework, group of files there, file 1, file 2, file 3, like that, several files there. So this all files combination is nothing but project. All files combination is nothing but project. One file related to database logic there, one file having business logics, one file having the presentation logic, one file having the admin people interaction related logics. Okay, like different files there, guys. One file maintaining the server information, like that. By combining all the things we are developing in this Django, and whenever we are executing this project, these all files interconnected each other. All are interconnected each other, and finally we are getting the responses. So framework is nothing but software which is used for developing the applications in real time. And REST API is nothing but, this is separate concept. Using the REST APIs, we are going to develop in the URLs, API URLs. So using these API URLs from one application to another application, we can interact. So just one example you can consider here. Online payments there, payment gateways there. So I'm using HDFC Bank. For example, I'm using HDFC Bank. So you people are using ICICI Bank. So I want to send 5,000 amount to you. So my HDFC Bank designed by Python with Django framework. Your ICICI Bank may be designed by Java related framework, Java language and its framework. So my HDFC Bank related Python and its framework I used. For your ICICI, Java related used. So my language related coding different, data types different, structure different, syntax different. Your language related totally different. But my language communicating to your language communicating to my language. How it is possible means using the REST APIs. Simply HDFC interacting to ICICI, ICICI also interacting to HDFC. So that is because of the APIs possible. One application to another application communication, if we want to do, then APIs very, very important. So real-time APIs 100% required for all applications. So without these APIs, only Django related URLs we are developing means from the browser we can send a request, we are getting response. So that is the UI presentation, this kind of presentation. In the next session, guys, 10 applications I will open and I will show you what kind of applications we are going to develop in our session. What kind of applications? So just today one application only I opened. And in this site, I given why this Python is getting demanding like that. So Python has the toughest rating as toughest rating. Graphs also you can see here. Python related. So this is the Python related graph. Day by day increasing. Clear that? So when we are working with frameworks like this real-time tools we are using, real-time tools, IDEs we are using. We have different IDEs. Which one is suitable for our Python development? So those IDEs, how downloading, how installing. So see here, number of files there, guys. See here, number of files there. So in each file, some lines of code we are writing. And whenever I'm executing, these all lines of code integrating each other and executing output. And you don't worry. So we will discuss every point separately. One day about URLs, one day about settings, so one day about WGI, one day about again here forms there, how to creating forms, what is the use of forms, what is the models, how to creating model. Like every topic separately we are discussing and then combining all the things. Got it? So web applications means so many applications you people knows this. So when whatever we are seeing using the browser, for example, I'm going to open the here Zomato related guys. Zomato.com. So here you are seeing something else. So this is nothing but web application. So www.zomato.com. I sent request, I got this response. So in our class also we are going to do like this. Whenever we are sending the URL, we are getting response. So here different food items displaying guys. See right now here 3 items there parallelly, horizontally. So if I'm minimizing this screen size, responsive design we are getting. See here, the images size decreasing automatically. Okay, side by side only there, but previously big size there. Okay, so here you can see the size reducing, means responsively decreasing the size. So this is called responsive development. Using the bootstrap, we are going to develop in this one using the bootstrap guys. Okay, and you can observe here top side some menus there here, If I'm minimizing this screen, there's all menus hiding here, and here something symbol displaying. By clicking that, you are getting this all. Okay, again you can close if you want. Otherwise, if I'm clicking this sign up, then sign up form will come. Sign up form coming as. And if I'm clicking here, login related, login form displaying. Login form. So coming days in our session also, we are going to design like this. So how we are going to developing login pages, registration related pages, all the things. So investor relationships, like these all different concepts there. Clear that? Yes. So this is a web application. When I'm clicking something action performing. For example, here this is the link. If I'm clicking this link, something coming again, guys. So these kind of operations, how we are doing without things, slowly you will understand. Clear? Yes, tomorrow I will display DJango related applications, what we are going to design in our session. Then you will get more clarity. And if you are okay with these sessions, guys, you can make it your registration as soon as possible. Then directly we will start our development. So only tomorrow we have the last demo session, and later onwards, directly downloading and installation related, I will go with that. So tomorrow demo means some new points you will get it. Tomorrow Python history I will take care. Python futures I will take care. And Python versions I will take care. Which versions there, how we are downloading like that. So once completing a versions related all the things, then directly required version we are downloading and installing. We don't have queries, you can leave it. And offline, most of the times the few people only coming. So freely can learn, and even when you are doing practice, if you are getting doubts related, so I will take care of everything. Okay. For senior batch also, some few people coming regularly, they are coming and sitting and doing practice. Okay. Yeah. Any other queries, guys? Online people? Any queries? Okay, guys. Thank you for this day. We'll meet tomorrow. See you guys.